What it do? I know I ain't been on here in a minute, man. I've been, oh Lord, man. Ooh. I'm finna run y'all down what's been going on. But, first of all, my boy Jay just called. He said he about to pull up in a few minutes. He got something for me. Those of you that know who Jay is and what Jay do, y'all might know what he got for me. But on the other note, y'all, I've been taking care of a lot. I got my boy tattoo right here. Y'all see what he doing. So I've been training him to pick up on some of this everyday mechanic work. He doing some struts right now. I got Uncle Terry painted. I put a little paint on them. New carburetor. Got the distributor dropped in. Got the electric fans on. Just, you know. That sound like Jay coming down. This is my boy Jay car. That gotta go in there. You know what I'm saying? Got some more stuff to show y'all. This damn Maxima right here, oh my God, gave me the blues. Oh, there go that boy Jay, y'all. Old Jay coming down. I like that old truck. Okay. Damn, I feel some raindrops. Ooh, look what Jay got back there. Uh-oh. Y'all know what it's going on.
There's a lot of hoes, boy.
I know it.
There's a lot of hoes.
I know it. What it do, baby?
There's a lot of hoes.
Y'all know who the man is right
You
here.
ready for your shit too?
Uncle Mike working. I got everybody working around this motherfucker. What's up, bro?
You ready for your shit? Let's put this in your shit, huh?
Shit, I can bag mine up. It can't bag here, though.
It's heavy. There's a lot of wood there. There's a lot of wood there, G.
Damn, no bullshit, boy.
That's a lot of goddamn breathing gonna be doing.
Y'all see that? That's that boy Jay. Y'all know where this box going, huh? Or do I have to tell y'all where this box going?
You ready for yours?
I told y'all what I was gonna do. Here it come. Here it comes. Jay, you want to give him a rundown or?
Oh man, it's tuned at 34 hertz. You know what I'm saying? A lot of 45s. See, a lot of air coming out this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
45 in all the corners. You know what I'm saying? Braced up heavy. 4x4. Lag bolts. You know what I'm saying? It's ready.
Yeah. Okay. So we tuned it.
You been there showing 45, G.
Okay. Let me get in there.
Kind of sticky a little bit.
Oh yeah. Oh shit.
Kind of sticky a little bit.
See if I can get in there.
Oh yeah, I see.
Lag bolt right here. Lag bolts to the side. Pulling it together. Lag bolts at the bottom. Yes, sir. 12-inch lag bolts at that.
Yes, sir. Y'all see it. I told y'all I want to play with that Yukon. And here you go. Gonna start it off. And if y'all notice out here, you don't see the Yukon. I had to drop it off. I had to drop the Yukon off to my little partner who be doing the LS motors. He gonna break it down and do the DOD delete kit for me. Cause I told y'all they had started misfiring, and I needed to get that taken care of. So I got the DOD delete getting done. I just spent like think I spent $400 on the kit, and my boy doing it for me for like $800, something like that. I don't care. I just wanted it done, and I didn't feel like messing with it because I'm not really that experienced. Well, I am, but when it comes to going in that motor, talking down them heads and playing with all that, man, I want that done one time and done right. I got too much other stuff going on than to be playing with the truck. So it's at my boy house. I just hope everything goes smooth with that. Hope nothing else in the motor ain't messed up. But the truck was still getting good power. It just had that misfire from one of the valves. So DOD delete kit came with the cam, the head gaskets, all that good stuff, man. He doing that for me. My boy Jay just dropped off the box. I got a bunch of highs and stuff coming in. Yeah. Hey, this Nissan Maxima, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I swapped this motor in this car. It kicked my ass. It had a lot of seized bolts, a lot of bolts broken, the exhaust. I had to drill, and man, one thing about me, if something give me problems like that, man, this my first and last Nissan Maxima V6 motor. I never touch one of those again. Never. They say never, but never. My boy in the Delta, I finally got the serpentine set up on there. I probably paint that black. Got the serpentine set up. Now I need to make the adjustments on the alternator. I'm a little bit behind on this car, but not really, because my boy who actually make this adapter, he wasn't gonna even be able to make that adapter for that serpentine belt pulley. Hey, he wasn't gonna be able to make that until like 2 weeks from now. So what I did, I went and took mine off of my car and put it on here so I can go ahead and move forward on this car. And I'll worry about mine later on. So, moving along on the Delta, this Maxima done kicked my ass. I actually just crunked this Maxima up today, y'all. About 10 minutes ago, I crunked it up. It run good. All he gonna have to do is go get some stuff did to the exhaust. So, that's cool. I'm finna do this motor swap for my boy Jay. Uncle Terry ought to be gone one day this week. Got the new carburetor came in, new distributor, all that good stuff like I told y'all. Man, I got so much. I got my boy Tattoo to go ahead and drop the tank on the slant back. I got his fuel pump in. I'm finna get on him. Now that I got this Maxima on my way, I can go ahead and do some other stuff. I got my kinfolk Flim. Got his MC over here. Had to mess with the AC and it. Got the new compressor on. Blower motor was making a little vibrate noise. Shit.
Y'all excuse me, man. Y'all take a peek at it right now. He's sitting over there, just, calm and collective out the way. But give her 2 months and see what she gonna do.
Already. That's Uncle Mike talking to y'all, the real OG. The one who started this swanger shit. Y'all gotta give him his respect, man. Uncle Mike, y'all seen the interview? If y'all ain't seen the interview, it's on Slab OG TV. I don't remember what episode it is. But, yeah, man. I've been doing a lot, y'all. I've been doing a lot, getting it in. Like I say, I really been trying to get stuff set up because I'm trying to get into me a bigger building. A few more things I need to work on with my credit and all that. I ain't trying to put y'all in my business, but I mean, shit, it is what it is. I'm trying to set stuff up where I can move forward. I'm trying to pass this everyday mechanic stuff on to my partner Tattoo. That's gonna bless him with some everyday bread. You know what I'm saying? He say he always had a passion for messing with cars. He done took a couple of mechanic classes. He done took a little welding. Then he do tattoos, and he an artist. So he is an all around guy, kind of like myself, you know. He want to do some everything. So I say, hey man, since I'm trying to elevate, I want to take my crew with me. If I can get you set up to do this, and I can move on to the projects, and you know, just doing the projects and let him do the everyday mechanic stuff. I can, once I get it approved for this loan, I'm saying that once I get approved, I'm gonna speak it into existence. Once I get approved for this loan, I'm gonna try to give me a big, nice, air-conditioned building where I'll be on the inside, shoot my YouTube videos, and I wanna do nothing but projects. That way, I can give y'all more footage in a nice environment, have everything I need, do some LS swaps, do some dual alternators, all the big projects. That's all I want to touch. That way, I don't have to worry about stopping off of this project to do some struts or wheel bearing or oil change or a brake job. I can let my boy make that money. Let him make that money, man. I'm trying to elevate.
What y'all talking about on here?
Hey man, you know this YouTube, man, they be wanting to know what's going on, man.
We trying to get this boy set up with 415s over here.
Who, Uncle Mike?
Yeah, I got the guy going to sell it to him right now for 415s. Hippos, yeah. I told him I'm trying to turn him on to him, but with 415s and those Suburban over there.
Shit, he might as well.
Yeah, man, you gotta get him started.
Yep. That'll sound good in there. 4 hippos?
Yeah.
Ported box?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put 2 Sundown AKs on the hose.
Ooh.
Thunder.
Man, what you trying to get Uncle Mike bag up to me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Door to door. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You got cargo those, you got hats, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Hey, you know what I was looking at last night, bro? It was a dude, one of Steve Meade people. He got a Yukon XL just like mine. Man, they took everything off, and he bought a box of that second skin.
What is that?
It's like Dynamat, but it's called second skin. Okay. Man, I ain't gonna lie. It tightened it up.
Yeah,
like where it won't have it.
That buckle right here.
Yeah,
that buckle.
and the beams at the top, they was all loose and shit, man. You put that second skin on there, man, that shit, boop. I say, okay, I'm gonna do that. Yeah.
So you won't lose no pressure.
Yeah.
Anything loose,
and I don't want it to tear up that easy. I know them trucks, they're softer than the ones before that. Yeah.
Big old roll master.
Yeah, exactly.
That's all the big old roll.
Yeah, and I don't want it to have that hollow, that empty truck sound. Yeah, so I'm gonna tighten it up with that second skin, bro. You get like 40 square feet for $199. I think that's pretty good. Yeah.
On the roof?
Yeah, the roof, the side panels, and the doors. What's going on?
Mike.
Hey, what it do? Yeah, pull over. You good?
I know you'll give you a good ticket on it.
Yeah, y'all. Yeah. It's been rocking and rolling, man. I ain't gonna lie. I done had to buy me a calendar and start writing down stuff because I got so many people calling, so many people trying to get this done. Man, if I screenshot my text messages, man, like every day, somebody new getting my number. It's steady building. So it's getting to the point where I almost don't have no parking over here. And it's not cars just sitting around. I'm setting them up, lining them up, and getting them out. But it's staying consistent, which is a blessing. It's a blessing. I'm not complaining, trust me. But I do need to expand so I can do more. I need to start seeing the money like how my clientele really is. And like I told people, I'm going to be honest. I feel like if I just stick with the everyday mechanic stuff, I'm not going to never make it to my goal of the account, the bank account status that I want, because I'm too good-hearted. Like, I can't fuck over people. I keep my prices fair. I got a lot of people that's in situations, man. I help them people. Some of that money come back, some of it don't. But I still get blessed to be able to make the moves that I want to make, so I don't complain. But I know with my responsibility, I hear you. I know with my responsibility load, if I can elevate to doing all projects and slow it down a little bit, be in an air-conditioned building, work more comfortable, have my camera set up, give y'all way more footage, way more. You know what I'm saying? So that's my plan, y'all, and I really been working on that, working towards it. The first step is to write it down, talk about it. Well, I've been talking about it. Now I need to write my plan down. I'm gonna get with I know a couple of people that's in the business. I'm gonna get them, help me write out the business plan, put it down on paper. Like I say, I already got my boy Tattoo up here working. He locked in. He been showing up every day. He excited. It's been bringing him some money more than he was that first already. You know what I'm saying? So that's a blessing for him. So I'm just trying to be a blessing for my whole crew. I know if I come up, I'm bringing everybody with me. Ain't none of that being lonely at the top. The only way I'll be lonely at the top if all my homeboys turn sour on me. And I know they ain't gonna do that. Not all of them. God damn. Tattoo laughing at me. But yeah, y'all. I apologize for not bringing y'all no footage lately. But man, trust me, I'm trying to set this up where we can be on this thing every day. We can go live for a couple hours if we want to. Y'all just bear with me. I'm telling you, bear with me. I got a lot more to come. Just on my truck alone, I'm finna bust him down. I got the wires. I got the woofers. Y'all already know. I got the amps. I got the highs. I got a lot of footage just myself. So, man, y'all bear with me. Got a lot to come. Long ways to go. I'm finna help Jay get this big ass box off of here. I gotta see where to put it because my truck is not here. I got cars in the way. So we might have to take this thing through the front door. It's already hot as hell out here. I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Much love, y'all.